Welcome to the high-level walkthrough of SmartSuite's legal matter management solution. My name is Preston Gillum, and I am a solution architect and product manager here at SmartSuite. Today, I'll be walking through the solution and talk about its different components and how it can be used to manage different legal matters within an organization. Starting here on the legal portal, this is for use of different employees who need to submit different legal requests through the legal matter management team by different forms and request types. So different organizations that want to manage these through intake and then legal matters, they can simply come in here and submit a request. This opens up a SmartSuite form where they can fill out what their request is, their name, their email, department, different attributes, and even upload attachments to then be routed into the intake and request table. This then allows the triage owner to look and review these requests, push them through the workflow, and ultimately convert them to a matter to then be managed within the legal matters table. Within here, we have the ability to manage this through the new and then active engagements and matter management, all the way through closure and ultimately collaboration for outcomes and approvals. Within a legal matter management record, we can open up the details and see the different components that are also included within the solution. We can also see the status of where they are in the workflow, the description of the matter, the different details, business unit areas, and then that intake request it came from. We can also use this to collaborate across internal stakeholders and external as well, in addition to other organizations, entities, and vendors that may be involved in this full legal matter process. Financials can also be captured in terms of spend, budget, accruals, and contracts as well, in terms of where they are in the life cycle and when they may be expiring. Integrating with other GRC, risk, compliance, privacy areas is also available by being able to link specific risks and control areas and privacy areas and rolling those up to understand the risk score and the possible impact, as well as incident impact on this specific legal matter. And then finally, the ability to be able to associate procedures in addition to task management across those legal procedures that should be conducted against a legal matter review. All of this rolls up to dashboards for management of intake all the way through the legal matter process by being able to see what new intakes have been submitted and how those can be addressed and the trend over time. And then to legal matters by being able to see what is new, what is the risk score, what is the outcome, how are we able to see priority and type across these different matters. And we can dynamically filter throughout each of these by seeing specific ones such as commercial matter types, or by being able to see everything that is of urgent priority, and all of the reports underneath will dynamically filter. In addition to task management, to see how our distribution across here and the collaboration is working and how the time is spent across each of the different legal procedure types. We also have specific dashboards for the different user perspectives in terms of if it is a matter manager managing the different legal matters and where the status may be and across different practice areas, or a legal staff who has been assigned a specific type, being able to see what has been put on their queue and being able to input their hours directly from the dashboard. Finally, an executive summary to be able to distribute and share across different executives and leadership by being able to see a summary of the intakes, how those have trended over time, and then also the legal matter outcomes and practice areas and the risk that has been associated.